Okay, let's do a quick valuation on Booking Holding. It's one of my holdings. It's trading at a good free cash flow yield, around 6%. So let's just see some forecasts. Booking is a company that always trades at a premium. For example, if you look now, it's trading at 26, and we go year to date, been down to 2.7. So that might have been like 5% P premium or something like that. P is not valuation, but you use it to calculate valuation. That's also something I want to highlight fast. Let's just do a fast one for 2024. I don't think 2024 reflects that much about future since it had 1 year of very high growth. The next year is like slow down, going back to basic EPS growth, basically, which seem to be around 20%. 15 to 20 seem to be where he likes to like average growth rate. And yeah, I should make a separate video explaining how you can predict future growth, free cash flow growth. EPS is 178. Oh, this it sounds so crazy. Times 1 plus growth rate is 51%. Let's say base P is 20. That will put it at 5,387. This is why I say this year's growth is so bonkers that yeah, this is not going to happen. Like you almost have the expected P in half for 2024 to make sense, because the growth is unrealistic to be sustained. Yeah, let's look at 2025 going back to normal growth, and it's 13.7. Let's keep 20 as the base. We expect it to be able to beat this. I don't know. Yeah, I think maybe that should be the median, and this will be like bottom fishing. I think I paid 3.5 or something for it. Booking. I wish I bought a bit more, but okay, yeah, I paid 3.4, and then I doubled down when it fell. And now it's up 6.7%. It's a quality company that's sticky. I like to use the word sticky to describe companies, but like it's hard for a customer to switch Booking to something else when they're used to it, especially because Booking has this system. I think it's like 5 hotels or something. Then after that, you get like a discount on the next day you go to, and the next day. So people who start using Booking, for example, me, when I go abroad and I'm gone for maybe a month, 2 months, and I switch hotel all the time. I don't want to switch an app and use the other app when Booking is giving me a discount for using their services over and over again. So you get stuck in the loop of only using Booking. Because yeah, let's look at 2026. 2025, very interesting, but we see a ramp up of growth, and that should really compound 20. Then we look 5,524. That's already giving me a good return. The ultra bull case, I should get like some kind of CGI effect or something every time I say ultra bull case, like Jim Cramer, when the growth starts to ramp up, you see how the valuation just pushes and compounds faster. 2027, we're looking at almost 300 EPS. That's kind of nuts to look at. This year is going to be very explosive. 5,643. So basically, if you just do a conclusion out of this, like, and you don't look at anything else, any outside factors, you could expect to double your money in 3 to 4 years, depending on how well they do that year. Which I like. I really like Booking. It's a service I use a lot when I travel, and I traveled a lot. I don't know if I should show images of that, or like in 7 days I used six airlines. I stayed at several hotels. I traveled through Europe for months, and it shows how profitable this is. Like their service is, like that they can compound at this rate. It's not that expensive to run as well. I think like they don't have any factories. They also have employees. Your admin is 12 billion. Yeah, the income. Look at that. Look at that operating income. But as soon as travel starts to ramp up, you see this growth. We actually see a slowdown. But look at that EPS. Holy smokers, like some YouTubers say. It ain't no joke. So we're looking at a base case of 6246. Here I'm doubling my money on the base case. I'm basically almost doubling my money on the base case after look at the mid number like 8.3. Already there we're looking a bit crazy. If we look at the ultra bullish case for 2028, hold your horses. Yeah. So 5 years, and I have a small chance of almost tripling my money. A small chance. I hope you like this valuation. Of course, if you want to buy booking, look at the like the base number, add a discount or whatever value you use, like depending on how much you want this company. Basically, that's what all price comes down to. PE is what people are willing to pay. Keep that in mind every time you see PE. What are you willing to pay for a company that can potentially do this in 5 years? I hope you enjoyed this. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon. The next video I will make is about Monster. It's also one of my holdings. See you.